Hi, my name's Justice, and this is my teaching and demonstration video. So behind me, the floor tape is up on my wall in my room, and I also have the different sizes and balls that have different sizes and weights. But for the main kids in the class, I would have them using either a tennis ball or a basketball. So a basketball would be used for the chest pass, and then the tennis ball would be used for the underhand and overhand throws. So I would introduce the lesson by introducing the game of tic-tac-toe and reiterating on previous lesson plans about the different types of throws. And then to go into the lesson, I would have them watch a video of the tic-tac-toe game rules. And then after this, I would have them practice warming up each throw. So then while they're doing this, I would do the teaching cues. So the teaching cues for the overhand throw are going to be straddle a line with side orientation, non-dominant side closest to the target. So this is my non-dominant side. And then you're going to make a T shape with the body. You're going to rock the T, make a goal with the arms, step, throw, and you're going to follow through with your hip. And then for your underhand cues, you're going to line up with the target, and then the arm's going to look kind of like an L. And then you're going to step with your opposite foot, and then as you step, you're going to swing back, and then you're going to come through, throw, and release the ball. And then for the chest passing cues, basketball, it would be square your body to the target, thumbs against the chest, elbows bent and out. You're going to step towards your target. I do it with my non-dominant foot. Extend your arms fully, and as you extend, you're going to push and release the ball to the target. And so your thumb should be pointing down by the time you let go of the ball. And then, after showing them these throws, I would have them warm up with a partner of their choice for at least like 5 to 10 minutes. And then I would group them up using a random number generator. And I would have them, the groups, I would have them go to their own little area that I set up while they were watching the TicTacToe game rule video. And I would have them, I would tell them that the goal of their activity is they're going to stand behind a certain point, and they're going to try and get the ball into one of the squares for tic-tac-toe, and whichever square the ball hits or the line touches, they get to pick which one they want to go into. But then they'll end up writing it on their sheet to mark it down to see who's winning and who loses. And then so we're going to keep track of that, because after guided practice, after I'm going around teaching or saying the teaching cues or reminding students about the proper form of each throw, they'll play 3 games, 1 per throw, and whoever is the winner will be put in a winner's bracket, and whoever loses the games will be put in the loser's bracket. And then at the end, during the closure, I'll have each group of students group up randomly using the random number generator again, and I'll have them play against each other in a tournament style, so that they can, after they've incorporated guided practice, they'll be able to show it in a competition. And then at the end, I'll have the winner from each group play each other, and then it'll just be a fun game. The students will be cheering them on, and they'll be able to tell them the teaching cues as well, because they're going to be so familiar with it. Yeah, and this is my teaching video, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.